Good morning, children. Myself, Rajesh Dikruz. I welcome you to the e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Okay, children. So we are having Geography Standard 8, Chapter 5, Topic Minerals and Power Resources. And today we will have exercise because already we have completed the lesson. Exercise A. Answer the questions by choosing the most appropriate alternative from those given below. First, the process of separating minerals from their ores by heating is called dyes. Option A. Mining. B. Drilling. C. Quarrying. D. Smelting. Answer D. Smelting. Second, the extraction of minerals from the earth is called dyes. Option A. Plantation. B. Mining. C. Transportation. D. Plugging. Answer option B. Mining. Third, the best quality of iron ore is dyes. A. Magnetite. B. Limonite. C. Hematite. D. Siderite. Answer option C. Hematite. 4. Aluminium is extracted from the ore. Dyes. A. Bauxite. B. Gold. C. Copper. D. Tin. Answer option A. Bauxite. 5. Conventional sources of energy are dyes. A. Inexhaustible. B. Exhaustible. C. Fossil fuels. D. None of this. Answer option C. Fossil fuels. Exercise B. Match the following. First, bauxite. Answer option A. Aluminium. Second, petroleum. Answer option D. Fossil fuels. Third, hematite. Answer option F. Iron ore. 4. Mica. Answer option C. Non-metallic. 5. Gold. Option B. Metallic. 6. Tin. Option A. Malaysia. Children, also answer is written under the match the following. Exercise C. Distinguish between the following pairs. First, ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. First, ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals contain iron like elements such as manganese and chromites. Non-ferrous minerals. Non-ferrous minerals do not contain iron like elements but contain some other metals like gold, silver and copper. Second, metallic and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals. Metallic minerals contain metal in raw form. Iron ore, bauxite, manganese are some examples. Non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals are found as ores in the form of lodes or veins in the cracks of igneous and metamorphic rocks. Third, convectional and non-convectional source of energy. Convectional energy. Conventional sources of energy are those which have been used for a long time, such as coal, crude oil, and natural gas. Non-conventional source of energy. Non-conventional source of energy are those which have recently invented and utilized. They are abundant, non-polluting, and inexhaustible, like solar energy, wind energy, and tidal energy. Exercise D. Fill in the blanks. First, coal, petroleum, and natural gas are minerals of dash origin. Answer: organic. Second, the dash cells convert sunlight directly into electricity. Answer: photovoltaic. Third, 20% of the world's electricity comes from dash power. Answer: hydel. Fourth, the best quality of coal with 90% carbon is dash. Answer: anthracites. 5. Two-thirds of the world's supply of petroleum is found in the dash region and surrounding areas. Answer: Persian Gulf. 6. Dash is obtained by mixing copper and tin. Answer: bronze. Children, also answer is written under the fill in the blanks. Exercise A. Answer the questions in about 50 to 70 words. First, define minerals. How is it different from an ore? Answer: minerals are naturally occurring inorganic substances which consist of one or more elements. A rock which has a large concentration of a particular minerals is called an ore of that minerals. Second, list out the different uses of natural gas. Answer: natural gas has many advantages and gradually its use is increasing. It is a source of energy for the industries. Also, it is used as a transport fuel, CNG, and domestic fuel, LPG. Third, what are the different types of coal found in the world? Answer: coal is found in the layers of sedimentary rocks. Peat, lignite, bituminous, and anthracites are the 4 different varieties of coal found in the world. Question 4. Write a note on conservation of mineral resources. Answer: all resources should be used wisely. Not only do we need to access resources, but we should also preserve them, protect them, and avoid wastage. The wise use of resources by avoiding misuse is known as conservation of resources. 5. Mention any 2 characteristics of a resource. Answer. All things needed by us and valued by us are called resources. Resources can be classified on the basis of origin, exhaustibility, ownership, and status of development. Humans are considered as resource as their skill can be utilized as well as developed. Okay children, so these are the question answer of geography lesson 5 standard 8. Please write the questions with the objectives in the SW copy and submit the copy in the school. Also take the copy after a week from the day you have submitted. Thanks for watching my videos. Children, if you like my videos, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you. Bye bye.